Thank you for watching TENGU Japanese lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to say you in Japanese. So let's start 日本語 Japanese lesson.
Okay, let's start TENGU Japanese for beginners. TENGU 日本語講座. Today I'll teach you how to say you in Japanese. In Japanese, there are several ways to say you depending on the context and the relationship between the speakers and the level of formality. Here are some common ways. あなた、あなた、あなた. Now, this is the most common and polite way to say you in Japanese. It is used in both formal and informal setting, but can sometimes sound distant or formal depending on the context. 君、君. Now, we normally use kanji symbol to write 君、君. And this is how we actually write in Japanese kanji. Now, 君, this is the less formal way to say you, often used among friends or when addressing someone younger or of level status. It can also be used in a romantic context. お前、お前、お前. Now, in Japanese, we use hiragana and kanji to write お前, お前 normally, okay? Now, this is the very informal and sometimes very rude way to say you in Japanese. Now, it is often used by men among close friends or in a situation where there is a clear power dynamic, but it should be used with caution as it can sound disrespectful. So please be careful. あんた、あんた、あんた. Now, あんた, it is similar to あなた, but more informal and can sometimes come across as confrontational or impolite. オタク、オタク. Now, when otaku is used to mean you in Japanese, it serves as a polite or formal way of addressing someone, often with a sense of distance or respect. This usage is less common in everyday conversation and is typically found in more formal or business contexts. For example, a salesperson might say, オタクの会社は、オタクの会社は, which means your company. Okay? Now, in a formal conversation, in a polite conversation, we can say オタクはどう思いますか? オタクはどう思いますか? Which means what do you think? What do you think in Japanese? In many situations, Japanese people often avoid using direct pronouns or rely on context, titles, or the person's name to address others. 鈴木さん、鈴木さん. Instead of using the pronouns, it is common in Japanese to use the person's name with the appropriate honorific like Tanaka-san or Yuki-san. So you just need name plus san. Just add san after the name. And this is the polite way to address someone directly. So if you go to Japan and you need to say you in Japanese, just say the name plus san. Okay? Now that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching TENGU Japanese for Beginners, TENGU 日本語講座. Now, by the way, TENGU Japanese will enable you to learn Japanese language in easy-to-remember ways and give you the confidence to become a confident reader and writer of Japanese. So, please subscribe TENGU Japanese email newsletter and get the free Japanese lessons, textbooks, and audio files. You can also watch the free video lessons to learn how to speak Japanese for real communication. I'll put the link in the description box on YouTube or click the link below. Thank you very much. それではまた次回お会いしましょう。さようなら。